Governors, nilikuwa na mwingine huko Homa Bay jana, wanatetemeka tu, tetemeka. Sema tu yes sir, atuongii, hata microphone hatutaki. Kwa sababu wameambiwa, mnajua tu, unajua ile kafaili ile inasema ulipitia hapa, okay basi, iko hapa. Kiongea tu, usiposema BBI na usiposema handshake, unapelekwa hapo, unashughulikiwa, unatolewa ofisi, unaambiwa ngojea kesi, na kesi hiyo itaisha 2027. If that will be the case, and I want us to have a honest conversation as Kenyans. The Constitution never envisaged that county governments are going to be closed at the behest of those who are controlled by national government. If devolution is going to be left at the situation, wajana, unajua mnaongea hapa, mnaongea mambo mingi. Ati Murkomen alienda kotini kusimama na Songo, sijui nani, sijui nini. Let me tell you, the first responsibility of the Senate is not oversight. Go and read Article 96 of the Constitution. The first responsibility of the Senate is to protect counties and county governments. And I can tell you, I'm no longer a small person. Nimekuwa mtu mzima. Na nilikuwa lecturer kwa university. Nilikuwa kwa task force on devolved government. Niliandika, I was part of the people who wrote 6 laws on devolution. I understand devolution in Kenya like the palm of my hand. Devolution is under threat. And soon counties will be closed. The worst part of this situation is that even the Council of Governors chair ameingiza tail yake kwa katikati ya mguu. He cannot even talk. The Council of Governors, which used to have authority to speak, can no longer speak. Sasa governors wanasomewa na county commissioners. Governors wanasomewa na DDC. We are back to the old powerful provincial administration. And let me tell you from Baringo na munisikie. In 1963, we had a powerful devolution with a regional government that was powerful. But slowly by slowly, using the same methods I'm seeing today, county governments were bastardized. They were lectured the way Matiang'i was trying to lecture counties about pending bills. They were bastardized in the same manner county commissioners are going to preside over governors. In 3 years, devolution was closed. And the people who closed devolution are senators and those who are regional governors at that point in time. I want to say today, if it will continue in the pretext of fighting corruption, in this very manner, the way we are seeing, Aki, you will see me, hii county zitafungwa in another 2 years. It will be closed. You may not love your governor. You may think he's a thief, but the fight is bigger than your governor. The fight is about the strength of county governments holding national government accountable. And now that fight has been brought to undermine devolution. I am not speaking as a prophet of doom. I am speaking facts as they are.